Hello guys, this is Mok.Films, yes sir. So today we're planning to do detailing, but first we gotta get this car washed. But anyways, here I'll show y'all more in a bit. Alright. So the brother's gonna do the detailing, but first car wash. Yeah. Shout out to Danny. Yes sir. And we got a little some more surprise for him. You know what I'm saying?
All motor 16, bro.
Yeah. We're gonna see in a bit. It's an Integra. Alright, let's get to it. So behind me right now is an Integra, like I just said earlier in the video. Well, this is Danny's sleeper Integra. Let me show y'all more. This is Danny Pride and Joy. You know what I'm saying? So it's a J for Integra. Ooh, I'm in love with these colors though. Oh, yeah. But you know, this is his Pride and Joy, like I just said. There's something under the hood that maybe he will show us, but hey, all right, let's get back to it. And yes, it is a Type R with some big boy slicks, street slicks. My fault, but yeah, let's get back to it. Yeah. So as you guys can see that shit's crazy, right? Yeah. But anyways, all right, let's get back to the homie, doing some detailing. Let's get it. So the car is ready, detailed, A1. Thanks to the homie right there, Danny. What up, what up? Hell yeah. Here, I'll show y'all some more clips. Let's do it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this is how the car looks after it's done detailed and everything. Oh. Yes, sir. Thanks to the homie Danny. Look at this. Look at it. Oof. Oof. Woo. So now it's gonna be a ride along in that beast. This one. Right here. This one. Yeah, this beast right here. Hell yeah. And I'll show y'all more. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Show us to my live though. Yeah. I'm gonna be riding in that. So the homie Danny made me go on a ride along. Low key nervous, but damn, that shit is torquey already. I can feel it. You ready, Danny?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Stock K24, man.
Oh, yeah. I'll record some of the ride alongs. Let's do it. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, yeah, I'm not ready! Oh shit! Damn, my boy going crazy! Oh shit! Woo! Oh damn! Yo, I'm already like low-key shaking already, bro! Oh shit! Bro, this shit's quick! Bro, this shit's torquey as hell, bro! Bro!
I spun all first. When I hit second, that's when it caught traction.
Fuck. Hands down, bro. Hands down.
Cold tires too.
Oh, imagine here warm though. Imagine if it's warm.
The tires, yeah.
Woo! Bro, y'all ready for the second one? The only thing I gotta say, bro, this shit's fucking crazy. Stock. Shit, whatever he says, it's stock. But this shit pulls. I'm enjoying this shit. Hell yeah. What you gotta say, my boy?
Just a pull. Dual pull.
Dual pull. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, stay tuned for this shit. Y'all gonna see more of this. Hell yeah. Alright, so now we're about to go do some Mexico racing. Just a little bit of fun run. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bro, there's some crazy footage. Y'all stay tuned. For real, for real. Alright, I'm out. Good night. Yee.